Hey guys, back with lesson 4. This one, the first thing I want to tell you is it's probably going to be a very, very good idea to get started on this one right away and to use the resources available for you for help. The library is a great resource. I know she has a green screen for you to help you with this project, and I also know that there's some other people in this class maybe that have done this project for Dan's class, so you can feel free to use them. Reach out to them for some guidance and some help in creating some peer collaboration. So let's get into it. As an overview, you're going to go to lesson 4. This one's called Let's Get Moving, and we'll go to the overview. But the objective of this is you're going to be creating a 10-minute workout video while choosing a fitness style. So whatever you want to do it feel free. If you have a certain expertise, feel free to use that, and just be creative. The second part is you're going to be working with a peer to create this product. So it's going to be you and a partner that are going to be working on this. And then you're going to be using a Web 2.0 tool to edit and produce this video and upload it for the rest of the class to see and hopefully maybe perform. Next week I'm going to put you in peer review groups where you're going to review your peers and critique your peers' products. All right, so that's the overview of this lesson. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick a partner, and you want to click on the Fitness Buddy. You're going to go in there, and once you pick your buddy to collaborate with, you're going to put your names in that discussion board so that other people know who's still available and who is not available. All right, so again, this is pairs, no more. And no less, because you're going to need somebody to help you with this product in various ways. All right, so that's a discussion board right there, Fitness Buddies. You're going to put that in there, and then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you're working in groups of 2, 5 workout sequences, 1 warm-up, 3 higher intensity sequences, and then a cool down. This needs to be research-based and demonstrate your fitness knowledge, use fitness terms and concepts, and then you want to explain your muscle groups that you're targeting, the correct way to perform the movement, and you're going to want to talk your way through this. And in a little bit, I'll show you some exemplars that from other students that have created this to give you some ideas. But you want to be talking while you're doing this, clear instructions and easy to follow demonstrations and counts. Each group member should be featured as the instructor for at least one sequence. So you can have kind of a participant and a talker and then somebody doing the exercises. But I should see you both in the fitness video for at least one sequence. Group members should take equal turns being the assistant presenter and the videographer. And applicable and appropriate background music if you want to use that. And then at the end, you want to make sure that there's credits at the end of the video with any music that you use, any resources that you used, and those the people creating and in the video. So right here you see different types of instructional videos that you could do. You could do a body flow or a Zumba or step aerobics, core workout, a P90X style, body shaping, Tai Chi, floor aerobics, high intensity interval training workout, Pilates, a medicine ball workout. You can do plyometrics with box jumps. You can do a yoga or dance style workout. All right, but right here's a really, really good example. You can check out this Fitness Blender, and there's just a bunch of fitness videos examples in there that you could use for some ideas. Okay, so if you want to use it, once you record it and then you want to edit it, there's a iMovie tutorial, and then some exemplars you can see. One of Ava I know is in this class, and she's down there, but you can watch these 2 videos for examples, and then you're going to create, post, and then, as always, you're going to respond to 2 peers on their fitness videos. Okay, and like I said, next week you're going to, or in 2 weeks, next lesson, part of your project is going to be, I put you in groups, and your job is going to be to peer review those other videos in your groups. All right. So again, I highly recommend you do not wait to get started on this. You can do this at home if you want to. But there are awesome features in the library that you can use with the green screen, a green screen room, and you should not wait to start piecing this together, picking your partner, piecing this together, coming up with your roles, editing this, and then posting it. You cannot wait until the weekend before it is due, and then run into to glitches. You will still be held accountable for the submitting it on time. So I would say, try it, get it uploaded by a Wednesday. If there's any glitches or anything, then that way you have Thursday and Friday to get help in the library on your uploading and submission. Right. As always, enjoy and stay healthy and injury free.